what's up? I'm Serena Pia from thriftdiving.com, which is a blog, a YouTube channel, and a podcast that helps you decorate, improve, and maintain your home on a budget. Today, I'm here with Walmart, and we are doing the How We Home series to help you cozy up your family room, your living room for the fall. Temperatures are dropping. You definitely want to make your home nice and cozy and relaxing for your family. So we're going to show you how to do that with some products and some tips from Walmart. Be sure to like and subscribe, and let's jump into it right now. So what are those essentials that you need to turn your living room into a fall-inspired living room? Well, I just got back from Walmart, and today I'm going to show you what we're going to use for this room. I always think that candles are a great addition to a room because it's just amazing when you walk in and it smells so good. But you can't have a fall-inspired living room without cozy blankets. And so I'll show you some options for these, but you want to bring in a little bit of texture. And pillows. You need lots of pillows for your family to be comfortable. Now you can do pillows in different colors. I like the fall-inspired colors, but I also really like pillows that have something with pumpkins or something that makes you feel like it's the fall. So we're gonna do some of those as well. And you can't have fall decor without the pumpkins. I love this wicker pumpkin, but we've got a lot of options to decorate around the room with these pumpkins. I love blankets for cozying up my living room during the fall, but I've got a big family. I've got 3 sons and a husband. So a family of 5, we need a lot of blankets. So one blanket I like to strategically place over the sofa, something with a lot of texture that will give it a warmth to invite family into the room. But we also need a place to store some of these. So what I like is a wicker basket or a wire basket and locate it near the sofa. Another way to bring fall into your living room is with pillows. Walmart's got a variety of pillows in different colors like rust, gold, browns, and I placed probably about 2 of them on the sofa, but I like to place them around the room because my kids love to lounge on the floor. So if you've got some pillows on the floor, that's great. Also, you can place them on your accent chairs, but the golds and the rust will bring fall into your room. Now, if you can't find a pillow that you're looking for, Walmart has a variety of fabrics and pillow forms and materials in order to make your own DIY pillows. I like using some heat tape and an iron to make my own. And what's great is that you can use some of your old pillows and just cover them each season with new fabric that you get from Walmart. So it's a great way to save money and reuse the same pillows over and over and over. Flat surfaces around your family room are the perfect place to decorate for the fall. I love TV consoles because there's generally a lot of space there, but don't forget you've got mantles, bookcases, coffee tables, so many places, and usually the pumpkin is going to take center stage. I love this wicker pumpkin, but remember you can use real pumpkins and you can spray paint them to bring in additional colors. Now, these are very inexpensive. These leaves can be placed strategically around the home and the mantles, and also you can bring in things like acorns, and don't forget pine cones. You can find them everywhere, and bring a little bit of that nature into your living room as well. Pumpkins, pillows, and throws help your room feel and look like fall, but what is it that makes your home smell like fall? Candles. So you gotta look for some candles that are apple scented, pumpkin scented, and don't forget you can bring in more woodsy smells like pine. Now in terms of placement, where I love to place candles are flat surfaces around the room, but don't forget your entryway, and also if you leave them uncapped, it brings in that scent as soon as you walk into the house, and it will feel like fall in your living room. Doesn't this room look great? With just a few key elements with texture, color, pillows, pumpkins, we were able to transform this living room into a comfortable space for your family. Now, we didn't talk too much about the rug. I personally love shag rugs, but there's so many styles that you can get that will make your room feel comfortable and inviting for your family. If you enjoyed this series, be sure to like and subscribe. You can come back for more tips and tricks on how to transform your home into something comfortable and cozy for your family.